The birth of a brighter light.
Fluorescent lighting was first developed in the early 20th century, with practical models emerging in the 1930s. Unlike traditional incandescent bulbs, fluorescent lights used mercury vapor and a phosphorescent coating to create efficient, long-lasting illumination. This new technology quickly captured attention for its energy savings and ability to brighten large spaces, setting the stage for its widespread adoption.
Lighting up factories and offices.
By the mid-20th century, fluorescent lighting began to revolutionize workplaces. Factories and office buildings embraced these brighter lights, which improved visibility and safety. Large open spaces could now be consistently lit, allowing work to continue efficiently regardless of outside daylight. The switch to fluorescent lights marked a major shift in how people worked, making the modern indoor office possible.
Boosting productivity and shaping work culture.
The introduction of fluorescent lighting had a profound effect on productivity. Brighter, more reliable lighting reduced eye strain and fatigue, helping workers maintain focus and efficiency throughout the day. This technological advance also enabled new ways of organizing workspaces, such as open-plan offices, ultimately transforming how people experienced their jobs and the culture of the workplace.
Environmental and health perspectives.
While fluorescent lamps improved energy efficiency, they also raised new concerns. Early designs contained higher levels of mercury and emitted ultraviolet radiation, sparking discussions about worker health and environmental safety. Over time, technological improvements made these lights safer and more eco-friendly, reflecting an ongoing balance between progress, well-being, and sustainability in the workplace.
Legacy and modern influence.
Fluorescent lighting's influence extends far beyond its original era. It paved the way for future lighting innovations, including today's LED technology. Its impact on productivity, design, and energy usage reshaped not only where we work, but also how we think about work environments. The legacy of fluorescent lighting continues to illuminate the history and future of the modern workplace.